Catherine Bernardo update. Yan, IB day ngayon ni Catherine, ngayon 2025. Yan, kasama niya si Lexin. And Happy New Year.
You're done. Did you enjoy your IB day?
Yes.
Say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New
Yan,
Year!
And simalang na si Catherine sa kanyang session, the IB Clinic. Yan, first IB niya, ngayon 2025. And ang session niya, IB Density. Ang ganda ni Catherine. And always.
Tumaas na cheekbones, nag-V-shape na here.
Yan. Ayan mga session ni Catherine dyan sa IB Clinic. Saka ito pa for TNT na endorsement ni Catherine. Ayan, parang gulat. So what next for us at Tropang? Ayan, kahapon, spotted si Catherine malapit sa ABS-CBN. Nakasama niya si Maymay Entrata sa si Papa P. Piolo Pascual. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell for more update. This is Richard Reaction Vlog. Stay tuned for more update. See ya.